just come to the village of Noor Buzdar, and our sister Naseem lives here. She's married, has 3 children, and this area was severely affected by the floods. Houses were destroyed, their belongings all gone. And she was speaking to us and showing us the difficulties that she's been through. And I thought it would be good just to go and sit down with them, listen to their story in detail, and understand why the village project of ILM is absolutely crucial, because it's the only solution to the problems that people are facing. Let's go meet them. Assalamu alaikum. Mehrabani.
वेले च मजबूर हूँ वेले वेले ते बाल भुख ते बैठे हो जन क्या खाऊं क्या पीऊं न्याणी जवान मुर्स मेरा गरीब पियो मजदूरी कर पेंशन बहुत डाई ते बच्चे नंढे लटा न जे पावन दा लटे तन दे लुड़ गए हंध लुड़ गए खटा लुड़ गया हर शे लुड़ गई ए सामने पई हालत न लिखे न छपे अल्लाह को सदा रात दी कुरान पढ़ा नमाज पढ़ा अल्लाह साईं कि को ईमान दे मुसलमान को के रावे में को कुछ देवे वेला बचे खावन वेला रुलन कि तू पिन खाऊं तो कुर का शे न हो जे एक बीमारी फाले दी हल न सगा मैं किदे वना मैं को मजबूरी रोटी आ गई.
Listening to the story of our sister Naseem and her family, 3 daughters and her husband, a noble husband. It's really heartbreaking, and this is just one of literally millions of stories across Pakistan. She said, look, so many people have died. What if I died? What would happen to my daughters? Who's going to look after them? How are they going to live? How are they going to get an education? How are they going to function? What's going to happen to them? That's her concern. My brothers and sisters, this is the story of so many families here in Pakistan, millions of them. And the only real solution to it is to rebuild Pakistan. We've got to build these villages. ILM are committed to building these villages because these villages will give a family like Naseem's a safe and secure home away from the floods. It will give them access to fresh, clean water. It will give the children an education. It will give the parents an opportunity for a livelihood and to earn money to be able to feed their families and look after themselves and buy the medicine that they need. So my brothers and sisters, please come forward, support ILM, help us to rebuild these villages here in Pakistan and help us to provide fresh, clean water to families just like Naseem and give them a little bit of ease, a little bit of comfort and the ability not just to survive, they're on the edge of existence, but to thrive once more.